Welcome back. You're watching CNN News 18 Makes Sense. We now shift our focus to some news coming in from southern India. Now, AIA DMK General Secretary Edipadi K. Palaniswamy EPS met Union Home Minister Amit Shah last evening as alliance talks with the BJP enter their final phase. Now, sources have told CNN News 18 that the BJP is pushing for a larger share of seats, aiming not really to contest fewer than what the Congress is contesting in the DMK-led alliance. The outcome of these talks could reshape the NDA's prospects in the state. Meanwhile, the DMK is grappling with its own alliance troubles. Actor Kamal Haasan's MNM has rejected DMK's demand to contest under its symbol, insisting instead on retaining its torchlight emblem. Now, the rift has prompted MNM to call a meeting very soon. With both major fronts facing internal strains in the state, the battle for Tamil Nadu is only shaping up to be a fierce one. Let's listen to these reactions.
CM is asking to be individual, just about for 53 members is asking the seat for nominated. So every two people to say the home ground, what about your home ground, the feel. Every candidate is feel happy. The Dravida model state government is welfare schemes and develop the people educationally, socially and economically. So Tamil Nadu is to the super state nowadays. So people is happy. CM is also is the order for every people going to field, every to home to propaganda for these elections to this party.
Our Honorable HM came and met our Honorable Edapadiyar and Honorable Prime Minister 2 times came to Tamil Nadu and met all the NDA leaders. Then for as a friendly talk and naturally if the head of the alliance is traveling to Delhi, they cannot criticize. BJP is helping DMK to for an amicable alliance so that because it's threatening the name of with the name of BJP, they are reducing the seats. They are only putting pressure on the alliance partners. We are democratically dealing with the alliance partners.
You know, DMK is a democracy party. So, our leader call all applicants and discussion with all applicants, then only they selected the candidate. So, the Honorable CM meet all applicants. You know, in BJP and Alliance Party, his assurance are only word. But our DMK party achieve